In today's fast-paced world, the pursuit of financial success often intertwines with the desire for a balanced lifestyle. The traditional adage of working harder for more money is being reshaped by innovative approaches that emphasize efficiency, leveraging resources, and working smarter rather than longer. Welcome to our channel where we delve into the strategies that pave the way for you to work less while earning more. The premise of this video centers on the tantalizing idea of achieving greater financial rewards without sacrificing your time, health, or personal life. By implementing proven methodologies, it becomes possible to unlock new avenues for income generation while simultaneously reducing the laborious demands on your schedule. Throughout this insightful journey, we will explore 7 concrete strategies that have been tried, tested, and validated by individuals and businesses alike. These are not mere speculative theories, but practical methodologies that, when properly executed, can transform your approach to work and income generation. The landscape of success is evolving, embracing concepts such as passive income, smart delegation, technological innovations, and collaborative partnerships. These are the pillars upon which we will build your pathway to a more lucrative yet balanced existence. Stay tuned as we unravel these 7 strategies, empowering you to achieve financial abundance while reclaiming precious time for the things that truly matter in life. Strategy 1. Passive income streams. Passive income stands as a beacon of financial freedom, offering a route to earn money without the constraints of traditional time for money exchanges. Our first strategy focuses on this transformative concept, where money works for you instead of the other way around. Passive income sources come in various forms, including investments, royalties, rental income, and digital products. These revenue streams require initial effort and investment but can generate consistent earnings with minimal ongoing input. From dividends in stocks to royalties from creative works, each avenue offers a unique opportunity for wealth accumulation beyond the confines of a 9-to-5 job. The key to success in passive income lies in diversification and scalability. By spreading investments across different asset classes or creating multiple income streams, individuals can mitigate risks and maximize returns over time. Additionally, leveraging digital platforms allows for the creation and distribution of content or products that generate income passively. Strategy 2. Outsourcing and delegation. In the pursuit of efficiency and increased productivity, the art of delegation stands as a powerful ally. This strategy focuses on outsourcing tasks and delegating responsibilities to others, allowing you to focus on high-impact activities while minimizing the workload. Effective delegation involves identifying tasks that don't necessarily require your direct involvement and entrusting them to capable individuals or teams. This can include administrative work, repetitive tasks, or specialized activities better suited for someone else's skill set. By offloading these responsibilities, you free up valuable time to concentrate on core tasks that drive growth and generate income. The freelance economy and remote work revolution have made outsourcing more accessible than ever. Platforms and services connect you with skilled professionals worldwide, enabling you to find the right talent for specific tasks or projects. Understanding how to effectively communicate your needs and expectations is crucial in successful delegation. Moreover, delegation isn't just about lightening your workload. It's about leveraging collective expertise to elevate overall performance. Mastering the art of delegation is a pivotal step in working less while achieving greater financial returns. Strategy 3. Automation and technology. The realm of efficiency and productivity is greatly influenced by the integration of automation and technology. Let's delve into this transformative approach, emphasizing how technology can streamline processes and reduce manual workload, ultimately leading to increased profitability. Automation involves the use of software, tools, and systems to perform repetitive or routine tasks without constant human intervention. From email marketing automation to workflow management tools, technology offers a plethora of solutions that can significantly minimize time-consuming activities. By automating these processes, you can redirect your focus towards more strategic and revenue-generating endeavors. The beauty of automation lies in its ability to enhance accuracy, speed, and scalability. Whether it's customer relationship management, CRM, software, or automated inventory management systems, these tools not only save time but also reduce errors and improve overall efficiency. Understanding how to leverage technology to automate tasks effectively will be instrumental in your journey to working less and generating more income. Strategy 4. Streamlining and focus. In a world filled with distractions, mastering the art of prioritization is essential for achieving more with less effort. The process of streamlining involves decluttering tasks and eliminating inefficiencies from your workflow. It's about identifying activities that contribute the most to your goals and concentrating efforts on those. By trimming down unnecessary tasks and optimizing processes, you create space for concentrating on endeavors that drive significant results. Maintaining focus amid the noise requires discipline and effective time management. Techniques like time blocking, where specific time slots are dedicated to particular tasks, help in enhancing productivity. Additionally, implementing strategies to minimize interruptions, such as turning off notifications during focused work periods, proves immensely beneficial. Explore practical methods to streamline tasks and techniques to boost focus. Learning how to allocate time and attention to the most impactful activities will significantly contribute to achieving more while exerting less effort. Strategy 5. Leveraging skills and expertise. Concentrate on leveraging your unique skills and expertise to generate more income with less effort. Your specialized knowledge and talents can be monetized in various ways, allowing you to create valuable offerings and establish yourself as an authority in your field. The value of expertise cannot be overstated. Whether you possess technical skills, creative talents, or specialized knowledge, there's potential to turn these assets into income streams. Consulting, coaching, teaching, or offering specialized services are avenues through which you can leverage your expertise. One key aspect is identifying the market demand for your skills and packaging them in ways that cater to that demand. This might involve creating online courses, providing personalized coaching sessions, or offering consultancy services to businesses seeking your expertise. Building credibility and visibility within your niche is crucial. This can be achieved through content creation, speaking engagements, or networking within your industry. By establishing yourself as a knowledgeable authority, you can attract clients or customers more effectively. By harnessing your unique talents, you'll be able to generate income more efficiently while doing what you excel at and enjoy. Strategy 6. Scaling and repurposing content. This strategy revolves around the powerful concept of scaling your efforts and maximizing content impact through repurposing. Scaling involves expanding the reach and efficiency of your endeavors, while content repurposing amplifies the value of your work across multiple platforms and audiences. Scaling a business or personal brand often involves transcending the limitations of time and resources. By leveraging content repurposing, you can extend the lifespan and reach of your existing materials. For instance, a well-crafted blog post can be repurposed into social media snippets, a podcast episode, or even an educational video series. The key lies in adapting your content to suit different platforms and audience preferences. This not only broadens your reach but also allows you to connect with diverse audiences across various mediums. It's about working smarter by maximizing the potential of each piece of content you create. By embracing the art of content scaling and repurposing, you'll unlock the potential to amplify your impact, reach wider audiences, and ultimately increase your income streams more efficiently. Strategy 7. Strategic partnerships and collaboration. Let's focus on the transformative power of strategic partnerships and collaborations in achieving greater financial success with reduced individual effort. By teaming up with like-minded individuals or businesses, you can leverage collective strengths and resources to achieve mutually beneficial outcomes. Strategic partnerships offer the opportunity to tap into new markets, access additional expertise, and combine forces to create innovative products or services. Collaborating with complementary businesses or individuals can lead to shared marketing efforts, co-created content, or joint ventures that amplify reach and potential revenue streams. Identifying the right partners and nurturing these relationships is crucial. It involves understanding each party's goals, values, and strengths to ensure alignment and mutual benefit. Effective communication and clear agreements are fundamental in fostering successful collaborations. By harnessing the power of collaboration, you'll not only expand your opportunities for income generation but also achieve greater results with shared efforts, ultimately allowing you to work less while reaping more significant financial rewards. Before you embark on your journey to work less and make more money, take a moment to consider the transformative power of these strategies. They hold the key to unlocking a more prosperous and balanced lifestyle. The true power lies not only in acquiring knowledge but in applying it. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey. Subscribe for more empowering content, and remember, by working smarter and implementing these strategies, You're paving the way for a more fulfilling and prosperous future. Work less, earn more, and live life on your terms.